Plump, juicy mushrooms sauteed in golden butter, infused with the aroma of garlic and tossed with perfectly cooked pasta for a dish that is comforting and indulgent. Let's make this butter garlic mushroom pasta. First, we start by slicing up some button mushrooms. Melt a knob of butter in a pan and add lots of finely chopped garlic and freshly crushed black pepper. Once the garlic is golden brown and fragrant, we toss in our sliced mushrooms and let them cook until they are beautifully caramelized and golden brown. Mushrooms and butter are a match made in heaven. The butter adds a creamy richness that perfectly complements the earthy flavor of mushrooms. Season with some salt, oregano and red chili flakes. While our mushrooms are doing their thing, we cook up a pot of pasta until it's al dente. Once the pasta is cooked, we drain it, add it to our pan with our glorious buttery mushrooms and a quick toss to coat everything evenly. To take this dish to the next level, we sprinkle some freshly grated cheese and it's ready to be served. So grab a fork, take a bite and enjoy.